Hey everybody. For the remaining sections of content, a lot of it is covering mechanics within SQL Server, so I'm going to be um, actually using a lot of other resources to kind of talk about the mechanics of how you do certain things like stored procedures, scalar functions, things of that nature. And I do that for a couple of reasons, so I just want to clarify that first. The first reason is that this content is common, right? There's nothing real fancy about it. The art is not in the mechanics of using stored procedures. Building a stored procedure is typically just the matter of using the stuff that we've learned up to this point about writing queries, conditional blocks, loops as needed, cursors, and so forth. So really it's more around why you should use them, what are best practices around them. So I'm utilizing a lot of other resources to help frame and shape the content delivery of the mechanics. And I feel like that's good because, as you start to work in business, you're going to realize that you're going to be getting a lot of your professional development from other resource videos that you find online, maybe instructional content that your employer may pay for, or even something that you do personally. It's not all going to be teacher led in a traditional sense like you're used to in a university. So I always feel that it's important to kind of help encourage and provide people with that opportunity to have that experience while still in college, so that way when you get out it doesn't feel like a major shift. So when you're needing to refresh yourself on a concept or even researching a new concept, pulling videos that other people have recorded from YouTube, or maybe if you're learning Microsoft technologies from Microsoft, or if you're learning Java technologies from Oracle, or whomever it is, just being able to kind of switch between the contexts of different content providers is definitely a good thing to just get comfortable with. But that being said, the mechanics of creating a stored procedure, creating scalar functions, doing a lot of these things that we're going to learn throughout the remainder of the term, they are the mechanics. And those are kind of the easy part to learn. Like there's a paradigm, there's a process, there's a way to do it. But when it comes to actually utilizing it, that's where things get interesting. So that's really the areas that I want to cover for the remainder of the term, is I want to provide you with those types of opportunities to understand why are we using the technology that we're using, how can you apply it into a real work experience, things of that nature.